Week 2, Friday, you're basically combining the information from the week into one thing. So it starts off, and they want you to explain the relationship between the sides and angles of a triangle, and how it applies to an isosceles triangle. So if we're looking at an isosceles triangle, we have two sides that are the same. And so the relationship between the sides and the angles. If we have an isosceles triangle, let's say that the sides are 4 and the base is 6. Okay. Well, the same thing is going to happen with the angles. 2 of the angles will be the same and one of them will be larger. So let's say that this right here, this side that's 6, the angle that's across from it, let's say that angle is 70. Okay, it's 70 degrees. It is an acute angle. It's less than 90 degrees, so that applies. And so what I need to do now is that I need to take my 180 degrees, that's in a triangle, and subtract the 70, the measurement that I already know, and I'm going to have 110 degrees left. Well, the other two angles we know will be the same because the two sides are the same since it's an isosceles triangle. So I just take my 110 degrees and I divide it by 2 because that's how many angles that I have that are the same. Okay, so that means that each of the leftover angles will be 55 degrees. Okay, so basically you're just explaining that. You can explain it with words, with pictures, with words and pictures. I use the picture to help explain as I did my words. For activity 2, this is a choice. You get to choose between 3 different options, and you're basically creating an anchor chart that explains how to find the length of a triangle. So how do you know when you have a triangle when 3 lengths form a triangle? The second one is the sum of angles in a triangle. And then the third one is the relationship between sides and angles in a triangle. So that's a choice that you get to choose. Make them, hopefully they're nice and colorful and easy to remember, and they look great. All right, thank you.